Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. It's been a while. I wanted to talk a couple of things that are happening this week. First of all, your classes have had an assignment, whichever class you're in, where you've done work on the notes. And then this week, you're going to take tests, and this is probably going to be your last test as you're used to taking tests for the year. I'm working on a project for the next couple of weeks. It's not going to be one of those ones that I hear you complain about that just busy work. It's going to be something that you get to choose. So I'm working on all of the logistics of that. I'll let you know what that is later in the week or at the beginning of next week. Let's see what else. Oh, I'm not coming to the school this week on Monday. Mrs. Costello made these shirts. They're like, we're all in this together, Jefferson Morgan, and they are not coming in until Friday. So I'm going to pick it up on Friday. I'm going to make a video from the classroom, and I'll teach kind of like I would normally be teaching, just to get you ready for that project. And then I will enter any grades then. So if you're not turning in assignments and you see your grade has not changed, it's because my iPad doesn't let me put things in as missing. So don't have false hope that your grade is really good. You also got the email that how we are grading. Make sure that you're turning your work in on time. That's super duper 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 important, because not only does it have to be done, but it has to be done on time. And Mr. Robinson sent that sliding scale of how that works. I think that's all of the information for now. Where would I like to go if I could choose any place in the entire world? Some of you said places like Bora Bora, which would be awesome. Staying in one of those floating tiki huts and you have to cross a swinging bridge to get places would be glorious. And I do love the ocean and I love the water. I love the beach, but that's not the place I would choose. Someone said Antarctica, and that was a lot closer. I would love to do research on it in Antarctica. I have no idea as a high school teacher how I would even do that. But the place I would go, and there's two, I would either go to Iceland because I want to see the volcanoes and the snow, and I want to eat a puffin, and I want to stay in those hot, take a dip in those hot baths, and I think that would be wonderful. And possibly see Aurora Borealis, which is #1 on my bucket list. So Iceland, and the older I get, the more I think this is probably what I'd really love to do even more, is go to Norway. And in Norway, you can stay in a glass igloo, and they have these like giant beds with fur blankets, and you snuggle up under these fur blankets, and then from your bed, under all of the fur blankets, you get to watch Aurora Borealis just dance through the sky. So that is probably #1, but Iceland is also #1. So good guess on those. I don't think enough of you are watching these videos, or you don't even know, so you don't know how to guess. So I'm going to give you an easy question this week. This week's question is, what is my favorite college sports team? And you should probably know because I come to school in like all of the clothes, and some of you harass me a lot. I hope you're well. I miss you. We're so close to getting done with this. I can't wait until I get to see you again in person. Have a great week. I'll see you next week.